Hey guys, I'm Vivian. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not new here, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a super exciting video, probably one of the highly requested videos from my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, join the family. It's @the Vivian. And I made a poll on my Instagram the other day asking you guys if you wanted me to merge my homepage and my personal page together, and the consensus came back and it was a yes please. So I have now merged both pages together, which is super exciting because I don't have to manage two different pages and I can just focus on creating content for the Vivian page, which I love. But I'm not gonna ramble in today's video. I'm gonna dive right in because I know you guys are waiting for all of the juicy details. Look at inside my family room / my kitchen. So that's what this video is about. We are not done decorating / designing just yet, but I definitely wanted to come and give you guys like an updated tour, I guess, of what we've done so far and what we plan on doing within the next coming weeks. Starting from this gorgeous masterpiece behind me, which is our TV wall. This is probably, first of all, this was the first project that we did when we moved in. Was it the first? Besides the nursery. We literally started working on the nursery as soon as we moved in because you guys know I was like 7 months pregnant. But I think this was the second project that we started after we moved in, and probably one of my favorites till date. We completely broke down the fireplace that was there before and reconstructed this gorgeous piece that has an insert for the TV. We did touch the fireplace because obviously it's a new fireplace, but we added concrete and used this gorgeous marble tile because it's been a dream of mine to have like a marble tile TV wall / fireplace for the longest time. So we decided on this gorgeous piece. I don't remember what it's called, but I'll link that down below. So after we created this gorgeous masterpiece, I keep saying that because that's what it is, we added staggered floating shelves. And I saw this in Karen's home. I love Sarai. Her home is gorgeous. And I knew I had to have staggered floating shelves. They are just so beautiful. And I'll have a video soon on how to style your floating shelves because I love how this came out. Eventually, the goal is to have cabinetry, some sort of cabinetry on both sides. Right now, my daughter's bassinet goes right here, so it's just not reasonable to have cabinetry behind it. Moving on to the biggest piece. Well, the next biggest piece in this space is my beautiful sofa that I got from Value City Furniture. And you guys, this is probably the best dupe to the Restoration Hardware Cloud Couch. I really wanted the Cloud Couch, but then I looked at the price and I was like, yeah, we're not gonna get that. We are gonna look for something close to the Cloud Couch. It is a high maintenance couch, just so you know. You do have to fluff this probably every now and again. Honestly, I just wait till nighttime to fluff it out once everyone's gone to bed. And I just kind of let it, look lived in throughout the day. And this is not like a showroom. The purpose was to make my house super lived in, but also really luxurious and really chic and modern. So we went for this couch. It also has cushions that come with the sides, but I took those out because I felt like it made it look a little bit more traditional, and it was just harder to fluff at night. Plus, it looks bigger it is bigger without those cushions, but hey, if you like the cushions, keep the cushions. Behind the sofa is my curtains that I got from Amazon. They do not look like they're from Amazon, you guys. They look like they were custom made from a really expensive vendor. They're not. They're Amazon, and shipping takes a little bit longer because they're coming from China. I think the shipping took about 3 weeks, maybe a month, but it was so worth the wait. They're linen and they look and feel so luxurious, which is my goal, you guys. I am all about affordable luxury. affordable luxury all the way. No one is breaking the bank for home decor or furniture. It is affordable luxury all the way. The whole wall in my home just makes me happy. It brings me joy. We are yet to accessorize with pillows and blankets because I want the space to be completed before adding accessories. So that's another tip for you guys. Do not buy pillows, don't buy accessories until your bigger pieces are here and put together. So we're waiting for a few more things and then we start to accessorize. Moving on to this beautiful coffee table that we got probably 4 or 5 days ago now. I'm obsessed with it. And you're probably wondering, isn't this too low for a coffee table? No, it's not. And you were probably not wondering that anyway, but no, it's not. It is the perfect size for this space because we are adding a bench to offset the both sofas. Right now, I just have all of the things that I've always had from the apartment. These gorgeous books and this marble chain from CB2 and a remote. That's pretty much what is on here right now until, again, when other pieces arrive. My thought process when picking this coffee table was a really good flow to the fireplace. I wanted to keep this wall, my masterpiece wall, as the focal point of this space, and I just didn't want anything else to overshadow that. So I like this being super low and being stainless steel. It's, you know it's there, but it doesn't take over the design of the room. That was my goal. Especially when the fireplace is on, you can still see the fireplace and it just creates this beautiful seamless look without this standing out as like a coffee table. Also chose stainless steel. I was really torn between concrete, stainless steel, or gold. So I went with stainless steel because the gray veins motivated me to choose stainless steel, but also because we have an open floor plan. Our appliances are stainless steel and it kind of bleeds into the living room, and so it just made sense to have stainless steel that's, you know, a little bit cooler, and then eventually I'll add warmer tones or warmer accessories like pillows, blankets, and things like that. And I don't know if I mentioned, but this is from a house, and for the longest time I didn't think they sold things. I thought it was just like a home improvement like website, you know, for like articles. I didn't think they actually sold things, but they do. And shipping was super fast. This came within a week and delivery was seamless, and I love my coffee table. What can I say? Moving on to the next piece, which is another favorite of mine, is a conversational piece, as they call it, from Tov Furniture. I love this conversational piece. It is a swivel chair, so you're able to kind of look around and have conversations with anyone regardless of where they are. So you can have conversations in the kitchen or on the chair, or even watch TV if you want. The texture is absolutely beautiful. It was easy to put together and shipping was amazing. Hoping to get more Tov furniture around the house, like for my console table and for my dressing room. So we'll see about that. But Tov furniture is 5 stars, totally recommend. I love them. The final piece that's gonna go in this room is a bench. Now, the question is, what bench? I don't know. I am torn between 2 different benches, between this gorgeous CB2 brown leather bench with amazing gold detail and this black and white bench from All Modern. It is textured and it has leather straps that go like over the bench, and it has black legs. I feel like the black bench is gonna go perfectly with this space and kind of tie everything together. But I also feel like the CB2 has character and it's going to warm up the space. So I have no idea. I am literally constantly going back and forth between both benches. And let me know down in the comments, which bench will you choose? Help me choose a bench. I'm motivated right now because the price of my All Modern bench is a fraction or half of the CB2 bench, but you know, I'll pay for a good product. I'll pay for a good bench. I just don't know which bench. So let me know in the comments. Obviously, we still need a rug in here. I'm still looking for the perfect rug. For now, there's nothing. That is pretty much the update for the family room. The goal is to get a chandelier here at some point and to beautify, accessorize the mud area. We have a mud area when you're walking in. I'm looking at that right now. But I'll show you guys what I do with the mud area. I want to DIY that by myself with my own hands. So we'll see what happens. I also want to do a beautiful IKEA hack in this mud space that I think you guys are going to love. But moving on to my favorite space, the kitchen. I am obsessed with our kitchen. It's not the biggest kitchen, but it's a perfect size for our family. I love it. And things have changed since we moved in here. Things have changed a lot. First, we painted our island. I was super nervous on how this is gonna go because it's not a big space. It's an open floor plan. Everything kind of bleeds into, or every space kind of bleeds into the next space. So like the dining room kind of comes into the kitchen, which then comes into the family room. So I was really nervous painting our island, but it worked out perfectly. When we were picking out designs for our home and picking out the accessories when we were building, we asked our builders not to include pulls and knobs to our cabinetry because I knew exactly which pulls that I wanted. We had no pulls for the longest time. I think we had pulls 3 months after we moved in here, but I am so happy that I waited. Sometimes bringing your vision to life takes time, a lot of time, and you have to be patient. But looking back, I feel like I made the right decision. It was a big decision, but I made the right decision. I picked out these beautiful gold pools that I had originally seen on Rejuvenation, but they cost a fortune. I think they were about $20 each or $27 each. So a total of about $800 for just pools. And I just couldn't bring myself to buying it. I just couldn't. So I kept looking and I found these on Wayfair, the exact same pools. Exact same pools on Wayfair for a fraction of the price. So I ordered these and got them installed, and they are beautiful. The gold is beautiful and luxurious. It's not loud gold. It's like a beautiful brushed, is that what they call them? Like antique gold. And they have that texture to them, similar to the pools of our appliances. We also opted for a pot filler, which I've never had. It's been a dream come true. You guys, I have always wanted a pot filler. At some point, they forgot the piping for my pot filler, and I think they sent us photos, and my husband said, I don't see anything for the pot filler, and I flipped. I called the builders like, hey, I don't see a pot filler, what's going on? And they were like, we forgot. Like, you can't forget. That is like the most important thing in this kitchen. You can't forget my pot filler. But they were able to fit that in pretty quickly and give me my pot filler, which, you guys, dream come true. We opted for a beautiful black one. This was actually provided by my builders. So to match that, I switched out the faucet that was there before for this gorgeous Kiwi black faucet. It is beautiful. It's just, every time I look at my faucet, I am just blown away. I love, love, love it. I had so many options saved. Eventually went for this guy, and it did not disappoint me. So what I did to create that elevated, luxurious feel was get a drinking faucet. Now it doesn't work, it's not functional, but it looks good. Because of how the original faucet was, ours came with the faucet and then a little nozzle that you can clean the sink with, and I was just like, we're not doing this. And that's another thing that I recommend. If you have, there are 2 holes for your, it could be a drain or not drain, it could be a nozzle and a tap or a faucet. Just add a drinking faucet. It makes your space look beautiful, luxurious. It feels like a test kitchen sometimes. I also changed our island lights from original ones to this beautiful black and gold lights. These were actually very affordable. They were about 50 bucks each on All Modern. And they have this cone detail to them and this beautiful, beautiful brass, like, I guess detail. I just love how this came out, and I'm really happy that I opted for black. Moving on to the bar stools. I didn't have bar stools for a really long time. I was looking, you guys, I searched the internet like I had never searched before. I wanted these gorgeous Pottery Barn all black bar stools that I just couldn't find anywhere else. But after looking for months and months and months, I found these guys from Wayfair for a fraction of the price. They actually come as a pair of 2, and I only needed 3, so we have a backup one if we have more guests or if one breaks or whatever happens. But these are probably the most comfortable bar stools that you will ever sit on. While having a beautiful and aesthetic space is important, what is more important is having a space that you enjoy. Comfortable chairs, comfortable tables. I also found this amazing hack on Studio Barn on Instagram where they incorporate their paper towel into a cabinetry. So I made my contractor cut out my cabinetry and create a paper towel holder. Oh my God, it is the most amazing thing because now we have a counter space that is beautiful and it's seamless, but we still have the functionality of having our paper towel right next to the faucet and the sink. If you want to elevate your space a little more, totally recommend. I love it. It is probably the most conversational piece when people come in and wash their hands. They're like, this is the coolest thing. And I agree, it is the coolest thing. Overall, I love, love, love how this space is coming together. I think for the kitchen, we're pretty much done. Another video, I'll take you guys inside my cabinetry and how I've organized things and how I'm maximizing my space. There's gonna be another video on the dining table because that's nowhere near done. We only have a table right now. The dining table, the entryway, and my coffee area. So I'm gonna have a video with those 3 spaces meshed together. More things are coming. You guys know because of the pandemic, everything is back ordered. Things are arriving late, which is fine. It's just a little bit frustrating sometimes because I would like to have my house done. But it's all good. We are going with the flow. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know if there are any other videos you would like me to film on home decor or my space. I have an exciting video that I will film at some point of my loft. It's an outdoor space. I definitely want to film this before the peak of summer, just to give you guys an idea of what to do with your outdoor space. If you have an outdoor space, this could be for an apartment or a home or a condo, just any small outdoor space that you have. Let me know if you guys have any other videos or any other style videos that you would like to see of how I style my shelving, or whatever it is you want to see. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really do appreciate the support. If you don't follow me on Instagram, run to Instagram, follow me there, subscribe to me here, turn on your notification, and share this video with friends and family. Hook your girl up, like this video, and I will see you guys next week. Thank you for watching again, and until next time, stay inspired and stay blessed. Bye.